In this video, I will show you how to install protected material in Ketron Event X. I will tell you everything about files, where are they, and I will tell you step-by-step installation. I will give you a lot of information and you will understand everything about type of files, where are they, and what you have to do with them. Now, on the beginning, you will get file like this one. Name of the file, solo guitars, and serial number of your keyboard. What is inside of that file actually? Inside of that file is instrument folder with solo guitars SBK files and power chord guitar MS3 file. Now, there is as well user voice folder, and inside of that user voice folder, in guitar folder, you will find 16 guitars. They are user guitars and they are modified factory guitars and saved on user locations. You saw that in my previous video when I presented guitars. And there you can find as well several files that are related to model how to play upper intervals on every key, and it is actually on major scales, parallel minor scales, and harmonic scales. That model, you will find several guitars, some acoustic guitars, acoustic guitar, lead guitar too, and guitar. All of them are, from each of that guitar is made upper third for a major, for example, C major and parallel minor. Or you can see there are some harmonic minors, G sharp harmonic minor or G harmonic minor. So those models, you can change every instrument of those instruments and you can save it. You have model of upper third and behavior of upper third in harmonic minor, in G minor, but you can put any of your instruments later. You can change instrument. So that is what you will get as a bonus for those guitars. It's already guitars that are working and you have some models of intervals. And there is 16 instruments. Now, before you install this, it is I suggest to you that empty that folder in your keyboard, take everything and put it, save it on secure location, just to get my instruments, to explore them, and then later you can reorganize, you can put back your instruments on locations, and you can keep my instruments in this folder. If you don't have enough space, put them in some other folders. For example, keep guitars, but you can put those models of intervals, you can put in any folder, doesn't matter which folder, and you can change instrument. So I suggest to you, so put my instruments to have them in same order like on my keyboard, then you can explore them and see on the same way that I see them in my instrument. And later you can return your stuff that you saved before you installed this. Now, let us go on keyboard that you know what is happening inside of package. Now, what is your next move? When you install everything from USB, now it is not ready process. You have to continue your work. SBK file is not installed. It is ready to be installed. Now, how we can install SBK file? Pay attention to upper window, upper left window. You have to press the menu to sound bank. Whatever you see in left side of sound bank, it is actually what is in your instrument folder ready to be installed, but it is still not yet in your keyboard. You have to press it and press twice, and then it will ask you, do you want to load it? When you say yes, it will take some time, depends of size of file, and it will on the end restart your keyboard, and you will be able to see that on right side. Whatever you see on right side, it means it is installed in keyboard and ready to play. What is on left side, it means it is in instrument folder, ready to be in your keyboard, but it is not yet in your keyboard. When you install, like I install everything here, it will be shown on right side. And now, when you go to your instrument and you go to Les Paul guitar, and when you open it, you will see that it's connected to USB. It is connected to SBK files. If you didn't install that, it will be unavailable. It will say unavailable, or it will not play. Now that is how we install SBK files. Now how we install MS3 files, because one of those files is power chord guitar, and that guitar will not play. If you want that guitar to have it, you have to install it by going to Menu, Audio Sampler, Sampler, and now, before we go to the next move, I will show you something. When you press Load, it will show you whatever is presently in your keyboard. Whatever is presently installed in your keyboard. But if you want to put something that is not in your keyboard, but it is ready to be in your keyboard, it is in instrument folder, then you have to go to Utility, then you have to go to Import, and then you have to find that power chord guitar, and then you have to click on that power chord guitar. I have it already. But when you click it, I will install it again to show you. Now I will have three same guitars. First one in SBK format, because it is in my package of package with every guitar, and now it is going to be in SBK in MS3 format, but twice, because I already installed it one. Now I'm installing it second time. Now that guitar that I imported is now it is now ready to be saved. It is still not in my keyboard. I cannot still see that in my load folder. But if I now press Save, and now I save it, now I have two of those guitars. I will show it to you. I will have two of them, because I had already one power chord guitar. You will not be able to see it. I could just to scroll down, and I was able to see it because I have it already. But just to show you, a load function is actually you see whatever is in your keyboard. Now I have two times that guitar. If I go to load, if I go to find it, I have power chord. It is here. Just a moment. Let me go down. Okay, now I have it here. And I go down. I have it here. Twice. For your better understanding, I will show you in this location that I have two times same guitar. Now I will open that, and I will click to that guitar, and you can see I have MS3 power chord. I have here MS3 power chord, and I have here actually power chord as SBK file. You don't have it because I didn't send it to you as in SBK format. I send it to you, for example, MS3 format. But I have now two times. Now I have to erase one because I don't want to have two times same guitars on different location. Now I will go to Sampler. I will go to Utility, delete one of those guitars. I will delete second one. I will say yes. Now we learned how to get rid of double sample. We can install actually same instrument several times. It will not replace it. It will install under same name two times. Now that is how it works here in Ketron. So don't think, when you have Ketron, don't think how it works in Korg, how it works in Yamaha. Think how it works in Ketron. Now I will exit from here, and now I will go to that guitar, and I will see that guitar power chord. So if I have that guitar like this, it play. If I have that guitar, now I have to direct that guitar to this sample. When I direct it, I have to save it. Now that guitar will work. Now, I will tell you something. When you have SBK files, when you import them, you don't need to direct anything. Everything is working right away. SBK files, when you download them, when you install them in keyboard, when you have styles, or when you have sounds or voices, everything is connected right away. But it is not case with MS3 files. Look at that, what is going to happen here. Now I will show you just one thing, what is happening in Ketron, just for you to learn it. If I go to now Sampler, if I go to Utility, and if I go to Delete and delete my guitar, power chord guitar, Okay, now I deleted power chord guitar. Now if I go to instrument, if I go to power chord and click here, it will say unavailable. That is what is going to happen when you install this package. That's why now I have to install that guitar. Now when I go again to menu, to sampler, when I go to utility, when I import that power chord guitar, I will show you something. It is nice to know those things. It is learning about keyboard. Now I will save that guitar, because you look at that under load, I cannot find that guitar. It means it is still not inside of my instrument. It is ready to be inside. It is there. I can work on that guitar. If I like it, I can save. If I don't like it, I will just quit. Now I will save guitar. Now when I save it, it will be possible to load that guitar. Import, it means import something new that doesn't exist. Load, it means load something that is already instrument if you want to add it. Now it is saved, and now I can see it under load as well. Okay, it is there. Now let us go exit from here. Let us go to my power chord instrument and open it. Now it is connected, and it recognized that instrument right away. You know what? I have to explore with this new operating system. Does it recognize every time instrument that is loaded? Sorry. In previous operating system, when you load instrument, you have to direct it because it will change location. Now in new operating system, maybe it will remember location. Maybe it will. I have to explore that, and I will let you know. But now I have that guitar, and it is there, and right away it works. Let me go actually to Telecaster. Let me go back to power chord. Okay, let me open it again. Yeah. It recognized guitar. That is nice. If it's that case with new operating system, excellent. It wasn't case with older operating system. I had always go back and reload that because order of my samples wouldn't be the same. But now it looks that is fixed. Okay, now we have everything done. Now you know exactly what you have to do step by step. I explained you where is everything that was in that package, how you have to handle everything step by step, and what is SBK bank, what is MS3 instrument, and that is everything about this video. Please, if you have any comment, give me a comment. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Have a nice day.